Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be talking about a new module today. We're going to be talking about the async IO. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one topic at a time. So async IO, what in the world is that? Well, it's a very big module and can be very complex, but we are going to break it down and attack it like we always do. But the general gist of it is it is a way to run concurrent coroutines. All right, so what does that mean? Web servers, databases. So I want you to think about it like this. If you have a process that you're going to eventually be waiting on another process to happen, and instead of being beholden to that process, that can sit in the background and run, and you can load maybe the web page or another process that can be waiting for it, so you don't slow down your entire program or your connection or anything like that. And then that can be sitting over here doing its thing and then come back when it gets done. Then they merge back. It is a way to have multiple things going on at the same time. It is unbelievably powerful. So we are going, and we alluded to this, but there's the keyword async, and then what's usually paired with it is await. So we will be doing more and more and more with this, but I just wanted to introduce this module, and we're going to be touching on it. We're going to be doing more with networks and databases and sub-processes, and then really touching on multi-threading if there's a big enough interest in it. So please, because this is actually, I didn't know if we'd get to this, if there was any interest, but this actually came from a subscriber. They wanted a better understanding of this. So I love this community. I love our 1,100 subscribers, which I think it's going to be 1,200 by the end of the month at the pace we're going. So you guys are amazing, asking great questions. I just can't tell you thank you enough. We'll just keep going with this, but new year, new adventures, and we'll just knock it out. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Make sure you're checking out this video or this video, and absolutely most important, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and the notification bells. We got videos coming out all the time. I want to thank you for joining us. Thanks for being here, and we'll just see you guys next time. Bye.